We're going to rip this little guy's head off and try to fix him. He had a little button in his ear, or he has a little button in his ear, that used to make him sing. And the batteries, changed the batteries, which are down here. That didn't work, and I think he's dead. So I'm going to rip his head off and try to track down the problem. Maybe it's the button or the voice box or whatever it is. And document it. Hopefully this helps somebody else out there with this Build-A-Bear Rudolph.
So I'm playing this at fast forward so we can get through it quicker. Basically, I removed the stitching around the neck and I found the speaker and everything was fine there, and I double checked the batteries, everything was fine there. So the next thing I went to do is take a look at the button which was in the ear. So I took apart the ear, and took me a little while, and got the part out, and I saw that both wires were broken off. So here's the problem. So now I have to open up the rest of the seams to get to the connections there.
This thing is on.
My name's Rudolph. Hi.
All right, Rudolph's working.
I'm cute. I'm cute. And I'm cute.
All righty. He's alive! He's alive! Grab my extra bit of wire. That's obviously way too much. There's some speaker cable. It should do the trick. I'm gonna punch it through, bring it through, and I'll make all the connections and stuff it back in. Pull it this way. All right. Let's try that out. How am I gonna get that through there though?
Now I'm just trying to get the wiring through, and it's you have to basically take everything apart. You have to remove all the seams and to be able to access everything. It's pretty tight. I finally got the wire through, then I soldered it. I soldered the new wire, taped it, put everything back into place, and took me a bit of time, a bit of fumbling, and then sewing everything back up. I was very impressed with my sewing skills. Grade 7, 8, and 9 home ec really helped me out here. And now everything's back to normal, everything's back together, and let's take a listen.
You on or off?
My name's Rudolph. Hi.
All right. And that's how you fix a Build-A-Bear Rudolph, which just stops working even with new batteries. Most likely the switch in the ear, the wires broke on the connection. Hope you enjoyed that, and good luck. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos where I actually build stuff.